Yep, hi all. So now I've got my D-Reverse kit in. So I turn on the ignition. Into reverse. My reverse lights are on. Get a little beep from the buzzer. Lovely. That's pretty good. So the actual kit is mounted just above the DeLorean part there, so on that L-shaped bracket. The little box is mounted just down here, and basically just connect up. So you feed in the buzzer from, you sort of mount it underneath where the ECU is, or whatever that device is called, and you put it through the left pontoon here. Same place actually as the reverse light kit for UK goes. Comes along here, you sort of pull it out via the canister, little hole here, little hole there, poke it through there, put a bit of heat shrink on top of it to hide the wires. Come out here, you then take a bit of wiring off two of the wires on the switch, and basically just mount the power and the negative onto that, positive and negative onto that. So you mount the device down here and then connect it up to the line, and it works really, really well. Well, I mean, I haven't tried it on the road, I should say, but in terms of how it looks to be operating, goes well. It took about 40 minutes to do altogether, so that's good. I've also got my LED flasher in as well. Got my LED lights at the back, and this one's good actually because I've got regular dual filament bulbs at the front, standard ones, and LEDs at the back, and it works. This one here actually works off LEDs or regular bulbs or combination, which is superb. Because obviously if I want to put LEDs at the front, then I have to change over the bulb holders from the dual filament ones to the single filament ones. So, and obviously make sure they fit into the units. So that's another job for the near future. So obviously I want those LEDs as well. And there we go. See LED bulbs up there.